If you work with airbags, dashboards, or EEPROM and MCU repair, this update is one of those moments where a simple software version quietly changes what your workshop can handle. A lot of technicians overlook updates, and then one day a car comes in, the ECU is on the bench, and suddenly the tool can't do what the job demands. That exact frustration is what this CG100X update is designed to eliminate, especially for Volkswagen Airbag ECUs that many shops struggle with every single week. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted space for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and workshop knowledge that actually helps you earn. Before we go any further, if you find this kind of deep, practical update useful, take a second to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future tool updates and hands-on guidance. Now, a quick but important disclaimer before we dive in. This content is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything discussed here is meant to help technicians and learners understand supported functions and capabilities. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working on vehicles. Now here's the part that matters. CGDI officially released CG100X software version 2.0.2.0 in mid-January 2026, and this update is not small. It significantly expands support across airbag modules, dashboards, and read-write functions, with a very strong focus on Volkswagen K-Line Airbag ECUs. That's huge. And here's the question I want you to think about as you watch this all the way through. Does this update finally make CG100X a more complete solution for older Volkswagen airbag work without needing extra tools on the bench? Stick till the end, because the answer might surprise you if you deal with VW vehicles regularly. Let's break this down clearly and practically, the Baabji Motors way. With version 2.0.2.0, CG100X adds support across 4 major areas. First, 4 new models are added to the India Advanced Edition. Second, 11 new models are added under dashboard functions. Third, 21 new airbag models are introduced. And fourth, 7 new models now support read and write operations. When you add all of this together, this update is clearly aimed at expanding real workshop coverage, not just adding names to a list. Starting with the India Advanced Edition, this update focuses on Suzuki Swift Key Start modules from 2019 and 2020. Specifically, support is added for the R7F7010.2.3 and R7F7010.3.2 series. Both P-Flash and D-Flash areas are now supported with full read and write capability. In simple terms, that means better control, better data handling, and fewer situations where you have to say no to a job, because your tool can only read but not write. Now let's talk dashboards, because this update quietly adds coverage across EVs, commercial vehicles, and even agricultural machinery. On the electric vehicle side, BYD Yuan Plus and BYD Qin Plus dashboard computers are now supported, including left vehicle computer configurations. Dongfeng, Photon Xiangling V5 and multiple EEPROM versions, and Trumpchi 8 multimedia host units are also included. You also get added support for NIDA-U, Nissan X-Trail, and even heavy equipment and tractor dashboards from Mount Taishan and Xiaogo. This is one of those updates where you realize CGDI is paying attention not just to passenger cars, but to the wider market technicians actually work in. Your CG100X is slowly becoming that tool that surprises you by saying yes more often than no. Now let's get to the headline feature. Airbag ECUs. This is where version 2.0.2.0 really shines. CG100X now officially supports a large group of Volkswagen Airbag ECUs based on VW51 K-Line and VW61 K-Line communication. This includes classic and widely used part numbers like 1J09096008BA, 1J09096009, and it's a variant, 3B09599655B, 6E09090605, multiple 6Q09090601, and 6Q09090605 variants, and the 1T09096005 family, using the HC912D60 microcontroller. These are not rare units. These are airbags you see again and again in older Volkswagen platforms. And yes, they are now properly supported via K-Line, which matters a lot for stable communication and safe data handling. Alongside Volkswagen, BYD Airbag ECUs using 95128 combined with SBC 560 microcontrollers are also added, including multiple part number revisions. Dongfeng airbag modules with encrypted Renesas microcontrollers are included as well, which is important because encrypted units are where many tools simply give up. CG100X stepping into this space is a big deal. There's also added support for dashboard read and write operations on several BYD, Wuling, FAW, Chang'an, and Great Wall models. These include encrypted systems where full read-write access is now possible. For technicians, that translates directly into saved time and fewer rejected jobs. And let's be honest, when a tool handles encrypted data smoothly, it feels like the tool finally understands the stress of workshop life. Quick funny moment here, because every technician knows the feeling. You update a tool thinking nothing will change, and suddenly it handles a job that made you sweat last month. That moment feels better than a perfectly brewed cup of workshop chai on a cold morning. Now let's answer the question we asked earlier. Does this update finally make CG100X a more complete solution for older Volkswagen airbag work? In my opinion, yes, especially for VW51 and VW61 K-Line airbags. This update significantly reduces the need for additional backup tools when working on these ECUs. It doesn't magically replace every specialized airbag solution on the market, but for everyday workshop work, it moves CG100X much closer to being a dependable primary tool rather than just a secondary option. One useful tip before you update: always back up your existing data and ensure your device firmware is stable before installing the new version. Updates add power, but good workshop habits keep that power safe. And since many of you ask about the tools I use, yes, the CG100X and related adapters I work with are linked in the description using affiliate links. That means if you choose to purchase through those links, it supports Baabji motors at no extra cost to you and helps keep this kind of detailed content coming. So let's wrap this up. If you regularly deal with Volkswagen Airbag ECUs, Suzuki Key Start modules, or modern dashboards including EVs and encrypted systems, CG100X version 2.0.2.0 is absolutely worth updating. Personally, I see this as one of the more practical updates CGDI has released recently because it targets real-world workshop problems instead of just adding flashy model names. Drop a comment and tell me what airbag or dashboard job you're hoping this update will finally solve for you. Also, here's a fun insight to end on. Many K-Line airbag ECUs fail not because of hardware damage, but because of corrupted crash data, and proper read-write support is often all that's needed to bring them back safely. If this update breakdown helped you, show some love by liking the video, sharing it with your technician friends, and hyping it up so the YouTube algorithm pushes Baabji Motors closer to #1. I'm asking my loyal viewers to help us hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Consider joining the channel membership to support deeper technical content, and keep supporting Baabji Motors the way only real technicians do. I know my loyal subscribers will definitely show up. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving, and keep your diagnostics sharp.